The 5-axis CNC Lathe Milling Machine with automatic loading is a complete solution for modern woodworking factories that demand high precision, stable productivity, and advanced automation. With one single setup, the machine can perform turning, milling, and complex 3D shaping, significantly reducing machining time while minimizing errors. The automatic workpiece loading system enables continuous operation, lowers labor dependency, and is ideal for mass production of table legs, stair columns, wooden pillars, and high-end furniture components. Its rigid machine frame, powerful spindle, and intelligent CNC control system ensure long-term stability, smooth surface finishing, and consistent dimensional accuracy. Investing in a 5-axis CNC Lathe Milling Machine not only increases production capacity, but also enhances product quality, giving manufacturers a strong competitive advantage in industrial scale. Woodworking. Contact us now to receive pricing. Watch real cutting test videos and get a configuration tailored to your workshop needs.